Hey everyone, welcome to Manchester, the city that never sleeps. Tonight we're diving deep into the amazing nightlife of Manchester. This city is alive with energy and excitement, especially when the sun goes down. Manchester knows how to have fun, and we're not just talking about a night out with the guys. Whether you're with friends or meeting new people, the vibe is always welcoming. We're talking about a real girls' night out, filled with music, dancing and good times. The clubs here are legendary and the atmosphere is electric. Manchester has this electric energy, buzzing with history and culture. The streets are alive with vibrant lights and sounds. Think famous bands like Oasis and the Smiths and legendary clubs like the Hacienda. It's all part of the city's DNA. Music is in the very fabric of Manchester. From the trendy northern quarter to the glamorous spinning fields, there's something for everyone. Each area has its own unique charm and character, and don't worry about safety. The city takes care of its night owls with well-lit streets and a strong security presence. Manchester's streets are full of friendly faces, always ready to share a smile or a chat. The community spirit here is truly special. Plus, getting around is super easy with the awesome public transport. Trams and buses run late into the night, making it convenient to explore every corner of the city. Ready for a fun night? Let's go. Manchester awaits with endless possibilities and unforgettable experiences. First stop, the Northern Quarter, or as we like to call it, the NQ. This vibrant area is the beating heart of Manchester's creative scene. This place is like stepping back in time, but with even better drinks. Imagine sipping on a craft cocktail in a bar that feels like a cozy time capsule. Think old brick walls, unique shops, and street art that will make your Instagram look amazing. Every corner here is a photo opportunity waiting to happen. We're talking live music pouring out onto the streets, pubs bursting with character, and enough craft beer to quench your thirst after a long day of shopping. The energy is simply electric. The vibe here is all about being yourself. Express yourself. From street performers to artists, everyone is here to showcase their unique talent. We found a cool little pub hidden down a side street. It's like discovering a secret treasure in the middle of the city. The music is awesome and the girls are loving the cocktails. It's the perfect spot to unwind and enjoy some quality time with friends. We're chatting, dancing and just enjoying the atmosphere. The nightlife here is second to none, with something for everyone. It's all about that sisterhood. The sense of community and togetherness is palpable, making every night out a memorable experience. Next up, spinning fields. If the Northern Quarter is your cool older sister, Spinning Fields is the sophisticated aunt with an amazing shoe collection. This place screams luxury with sleek bars, top-notch restaurants, and a skyline that will blow you away. We're talking fancy cocktails with names you can't pronounce, but taste absolutely delicious. We're all dressed up, feeling like $1,000,000. It's all about celebrating ourselves. We found a rooftop bar with stunning views of the city, sipping on something sparkly, feeling like I could conquer the world. The girls are looking fierce and we're catching up on life, love and everything in between. Now, no trip to Manchester would be complete without a visit to Canal Street. This iconic street is not just a location, it's an experience, a vibrant tapestry of life and culture that you simply cannot miss. This is the heart of Manchester's gay village. And let me tell you, it's a party. The energy here is palpable, with people from all walks of life coming together to celebrate. Rainbow flags flutter in the breeze, drag queens strut their stuff, and there's enough glitter to make everyone smile. It's a visual feast that captures the essence of freedom and self-expression. It doesn't matter who you love or how you identify, everyone's welcome here. The sense of community and acceptance is overwhelming, making it a safe haven for all. The music is pumping, the energy is contagious, and the love is everywhere. You can't help but get swept up in the joyous atmosphere. It's a beautiful reminder that Manchester celebrates diversity. Here, every night is a celebration of life, love, and the human spirit. We're out on the street, dancing with strangers and singing along to our favorite songs. It's a communal experience that brings people closer together. The atmosphere is electric. Everyone's just letting loose and having a good time. It's a place where you can truly be yourself. It's about embracing who you are and celebrating life. Every corner of Canal Street is filled with joy and laughter. And that, my friends, is just a taste of Manchester's incredible nightlife. There's so much more to explore and experience. From the edgy vibes of the Northern Quarter to the glamour of spinning fields, each area offers its own unique flavor and excitement. And the love and acceptance of Canal Street. This city has it all. It's a melting pot of cultures and identities, all coexisting harmoniously. So grab your friends, put on your dancing shoes and get ready for an unforgettable night out. Manchester's nightlife is waiting for you to join the celebration.